Shh, do you guys want to know a secret? This is your everything balm. It's going everywhere. This is my one and only step that I do on my skin now. I ditched all of those other products that were causing my skin to break out, irritate me. This is all natural. It's fused with all of your good oils, essential oils. It smells amazing. It smells like nature because it's infused by nature. You guys are going to want to grab yours right now. It's primarily pure. I love their brand, and knowing that you're putting something natural on your body is beyond amazing. It's not breaking you out, and you're not spending thousands of dollars on all these other products on your face or your body. This is the only thing that I put on my body now after I get out of the shower and do my makeup. Go hit that link down below.